Hey, hi, how are you? Check out the sun. She's shining so bright. That's probably not good for my camera, but oh well. Hello, my name is Devyn. Welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you have been here before. Here I talk about travel, go on the occasional rant, and also try cooking once in a while. And today I'm gonna do exactly that. I am trying a recipe today. I am not doing a Bajan recipe this time around. I will be trying to make pierogies, Polish pierogies, much to Sean's dismay because he's Ukrainian, so I just checked what we had the ingredients for and was gonna go with it. So wish me luck. Sorry that I'm a bit like haggard and sweaty looking. We just worked out, but I wanted to try to get some of this film before it got super dark out. So that's that. Welcome, and let's do it. So I pre-made the filling. Now, naturally, because I am me, I didn't follow the recipe. This is just the trend in the domestic Devyn series, so get used to it. I used 3 medium-sized potatoes. You're supposed to use 4. You're supposed to put onion in. I don't have onion, but I did add some herbs, and then I did some shredded cheese, a little bit of butter, and yeah, just mashed it all together. So as usual, we're winging it. So I'm going to get the water boiling, and then I'm gonna get started on the dough. So I'm gonna leave the flour out because we're gonna need it for like potentially if it's just not quite the right texture, and then also for covering this when we roll it. Now we add the 1 teaspoon of salt. I don't know where my teaspoon measure went, so we're gonna do 2 of these. Oh my God, why do I get flour everywhere all the time? A small well with your hand and crack an egg into it. That seems dangerous. Okay, so now it says stir to combine and then gradually add the hot water. I feel like I'm doing this wrong already. I have a feeling things are about to get very chaotic. I'm gonna start rolling the dough, and then you have to make it into little circles, and then you have to make the little pierogies. I'm scared. And you have to, okay, it's a lot. I'm not even gonna try to explain it. You'll witness it. It'll be great. We'll be fine. We're good. Okay, maybe we'll be okay. To be determined. Oh, maybe that'll work. Kind of like perched weirdly between my water bottle. I don't even know if you can see because my water bottle's in the way. Oh yeah, you should be able to see. Okay, so it says to, well, I'm gonna lightly flour this. It doesn't actually say to do that. Dough into 4 sections. Seems very small, but okay. I feel like this is way too sticky of dough. I did not put enough flour in there. Oh my God, what am I doing? Jesus. Whatever, it's fine, everything's fine. We're thriving. Oh yeah, actually I think this will be okay. She said hopefully. Ow, oh my God, I just hit my head on the stove. Ay, ay, ay. All right, this is bad. How the hell do people do this? This is gonna take forever. I think this is where the chaos really starts to ensue. Oh jeez, here I've already torn one of them. Go me. Tablespoon of filling. Why does so much stuff have to happen at the same time? Like I want to boil them as I go. I'm gonna do that, screw it. Famous last words, guaranteed. I feel like these are too small too. Maybe not, I don't know. Yeah, I regret this already. This is already a gong show. It's too much filling, I'm pretty sure. Oh, maybe not. Okay, you just kind of have to stretch it around the filling. See that? Okay, we might be onto something. Oops. So I am just gonna drop the pierogies right into the water. So oh yeah, I guess, no, that's the lid. Just kidding. You can't see, but when you drop the pierogies in, they go straight to the bottom, and I guess when they start floating, that's when you know they are good to be taken out of the boiling water. What is this? It looks like a croissant, like a really sad croissant. Oh God, this is so bad. I'm taking some of the filling out of that one because I just know I'm fighting a losing battle already. Oh my God, what is happening? Isn't really like holding the shape. Do the babas like put them in their hand before they put the filling in? Yeah, they put it in their hand first and then they fold the edges around. Okay, this is starting to make sense. I think this is gonna be okay maybe. I don't want to speak too soon because I've done that before. Honestly though, none of my creations have gone super, super bad. Like the macaroni pie, I know it was not to Bajan standard, but it did taste okay. So like, I wouldn't call anything like super, super awful. Okay, well I think this might be, we might be okay. Okay, have to make sure I close them more because this looks like they're kind of opening. All right, we're learning. We're learning as we go. There's some weird looking pierogies, let me tell ya. I would like to dedicate this video to my friend Brenna, because one time at work, me and Jamie were hungry and we found these pierogies in the freezer and we were like, oh, score pierogies. And it turns out they were Brenna's pierogies. They were the ones her baba made from scratch. And we just mowed them like ferocious dogs. And I went home from work that day and Jamie texted me and she's like, so those pierogies we ate were Brenna's. And I was like, oh no. And she was like, yeah, those were her babas. And I texted Brenna. I was like, I'm so sorry, but also like, let this be a lesson to you that you have to label your food in the work fridge because nothing is safe from me, the absolute wolf hound who will eat anything in sight. A really good one that turned out pretty decent. It stayed intact, so I think that's the way to go. Pick up the little circles. The recipe said this was gonna make 36, and I'm like seriously doubting that. Maybe I should dip this in flour. It said to do a tablespoon, but that's definitely way too much, so I'm just like kind of doing it by eye. Bless you.